Top 10 Best Cruiser Motorcycles for 2024, new specification detail you must to see. (2024) Harley-Davidson Sportster S, MSRP price $16,499. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Sportster S marks a bold new direction for the iconic brand, blending aggressive performance with classic cruiser style. Here's a deeper dive into its specifications. Engine type: liquid-cooled, 60° V-twin, revolution max 1250T, displacement 1,252 cubic centimeters, horsepower 127 horsepower at 7,500 rpm, torque 94 pound-foot at 6,000 rpm, compression ratio 12.7:1, fuel injection, electronic sequential port fuel injection (ESPFI) with 44mm throttle bodies. Chassis and dimensions: frame, steel backbone with cast aluminum swing arm, rake, 28 degrees, trail, 4.2 inches, wheelbase, 57.1 inches, seat height, 29.5 inches, ground clearance, 4.9 inches, fuel capacity, 3.1 gallons, wet weight, 522 pounds. (2024) Ducati Diavel V4. The Ducati Diavel V4 is a powerful and comfortable cruiser that's perfect for riders who want a more modern take on the cruiser style. It has a muscular Gran Turismo V4 engine, a comfortable riding position, and a number of high-tech features. The Diavel V4 is also a real head-turner, thanks to its unique design. 2024 Ducati Diavel V4 specification: engine type, Gran Turismo V4, displacement 1,158 cubic centimeters, bore X-stroke 84.0 by 78.0 millimeters, cooling system, liquid-cooled, fuel injection, yes. 2024 Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited, MSRP price $35,349. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited rolls onto the scene as the pinnacle of luxurious touring, packed with features and a powerful engine for conquering any journey. Let's dive into its impressive specifications. Engine type: air-cooled, twin-cooled Milwaukee 8 V-twin, displacement 1,868 cubic centimeters, horsepower not officially stated, estimated 168 pound-foot torque, compression ratio 10.5:1, fuel injection, electronic sequential port fuel injection (ESPFI) with 49mm throttle bodies. Chassis and dimensions: frame, double cradle steel with cast aluminum swing arm, rake, 29 degrees, trail, 5.2 inches, wheelbase, 66.1 inches, seat height, 28.7 inches, ground clearance, 5.3 inches, fuel capacity, 6 gallons, wet weight, 901 pounds. (2024) Harley-Davidson Nightster, MSRP price $14,999. The reborn Nightster promises a rebellious ride with its dark and muscular persona. Get ready to dive into its technical details. Engine type: liquid-cooled, 60° V-twin, revolution max 975T, displacement 975 cubic centimeters, horsepower 90 horsepower at 7,500 rpm, torque 77 pound-foot at 5,750 rpm, compression ratio 12.1:1. Fuel injection, electronic sequential port fuel injection (ESPFI) with 42mm throttle bodies. Chassis and dimensions: frame, steel backbone with cast aluminum swing arm, rake, 26 degrees, trail, 4.2 inches, wheelbase, 57.9 inches, seat height, 28.9 inches, ground clearance, 4.6 inches, fuel capacity, 3.1 gallons, wet weight, 496 pounds. (2024) Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic 114, MSRP price $20,899. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic 114 oozes classic cruiser style with a powerful modern twist. Let's delve into its technical details. Engine type air-cooled, Milwaukee 8114 V-twin, displacement 1868 cubic centimeters, horsepower not officially stated, estimated 168 pound-foot torque, compression ratio 10.5 to 1, fuel injection, electronic sequential port fuel injection ESPFI with 49 mm throttle bodies. Chassis and dimensions: frame, double cradle steel with cast aluminum swing arm, rake, 28 degrees, trail, 4.3 inches, wheelbase, 63.5 inches, seat height, 28.5 inches, ground clearance, 5.4 inches, fuel capacity, 4.5 gallons, wet weight, 721 pounds. (2024) Kawasaki Vulcan S ABS. The Kawasaki Vulcan S ABS is a great choice for new and experienced riders alike. It has a low seat height and forward-mounted foot pegs that make it easy to ride, and its comfortable suspension makes it a pleasure to ride on long stretches of road. The Vulcan S ABS is also packed with features, including ABS brakes, traction control, and a cruise control. 2024 Kawasaki Vulcan S ABS specification: engine type, parallel twin displacement, 649 cubic centimeters bore X stroke, 83.0 by 60.0 millimeters cooling system, liquid cooled fuel injection, yes. (2024) Moto Guzzi V9 Bobber SE. The Moto Guzzi V9 Bobber SE is a stylish and comfortable cruiser that's perfect for riders who want something a little different. It has a unique shaft drive final drive and a comfortable riding position that makes it ideal for long rides. The V9 Bobber SE also has a number of premium features, including Brembo brakes, all-in suspension, and a leather seat. 2024 Moto Guzzi V9 Bobber SE specification: engine type, V-twin, displacement, 853 cubic centimeters, bore X stroke, 88.0 by 53.8 millimeters, cooling system, air-cooled, fuel injection, yes. (2024) Indian Super Chief Limited. The Indian Super Chief Limited is a luxurious and comfortable cruiser that's perfect for riders who want the best of the best. It has a powerful Thunderstroke 116 engine, a comfortable touring suspension, and a premium audio system. The Super Chief Limited also comes with a number of luxury features, including heated seats, a windshield, and a passenger backrest. 2024 Indian Super Chief Limited specification: engine type, Thunderstroke 116, displacement, 1811 cubic centimeters, bore X stroke, 104.0 by 116.0 millimeters, cooling system, air-cooled, fuel injection, yes. (2024) BMW R18 100 Years Limited Edition. The BMW R18 100 Years Limited Edition is a stunning and comfortable cruiser that celebrates the 100th anniversary of BMW Motorrad. It has a massive 1,800 cubic centimeters boxer engine, a luxurious riding position, and a number of premium features. The R18 100 Years Limited Edition is also a limited edition model, so it's sure to be a collector's item. 2024 BMW R18 100 Years Limited Edition specification: engine type, boxer, displacement, 1,800 cubic centimeters, bore X stroke, 91.0 by 76.0 millimeters, cooling system, air-cooled, fuel injection, yes. (2024 Yamaha Bolt-R spec, MSRP $8,699. The Bolt-R spec is a sportier version of the popular Bolt cruiser. It has a higher performance suspension, upgraded brakes, and a more aggressive riding position. The Bolt-R spec is a great choice for riders who want a cruiser that can handle the twisties. 2024 Yamaha Bolt-R spec specification: engine type, air-cooled V-twin, engine displacement, 942 cubic centimeters, horsepower, 58 horsepower, torque, 54 pound-foot, fuel system, fuel injection, cooling system, air-cooled, redline, 5,500 RPM, fuel economy, around 45 miles per gallon. I hope this information is helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions about these motorcycles or their engines.